Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making an Italian breakfast sandwich. So as always, the first thing that we're going to do for this sandwich is fire up our barbecue. I got my Kamado Joe big block here. Let's put it in our chimney starter. Put in 2 of these fire starters, light them up, and put the chimney starter on top. Our charcoal is fully lit up. Now I want to spread it out over the grate. We'll put the grill grate on. And then we're going to put on our plancha. The plancha is just a grilling surface, so don't worry about it. You can use a pan or a cast iron griddle. Anything works. I want to put on a little bit of olive oil just to make the surface non-stick. The first ingredient to this sandwich is going to be Parmesan cheese cookies. So our plancha is getting up to temperature. We're going to put on a little bit of this baking foil, and that's going to help with creating these cookies and getting them off the grill. We'll grate some Parmesan cheese on top of them. We'll spread the cheese out over our baking paper, and then we'll put this on top of our plancha. We'll let the cheese turn yellow, the grease will render out, and then we'll take it off. That's what I mean. You can peel them right off. You don't have to do anything. Careful now, we don't want to break them. We're just going to set these aside and let them cool down. Next, we're going to bake an egg. We'll put on a little bit more olive oil. Crack an egg. We'll put on a little bit of salt and pepper on our egg. Look at that, our egg is done. We're going to take it off. As you can see, our egg slided off to one side, but that doesn't matter. It will still taste great. And now for our most important ingredient, our mortadella. There we go. Let's put this on the grill. We just keep flipping it around. We want to have it crispy on the outside, but in the end, it just needs to be warm. Look at that. Woohoo, that looks really good. Now we're going to shred some buffalo mozzarella on top, and that will melt. We're also going to put our egg back on top so it can be warm while we finish it off. Now as a bun, we've got these beautiful Italian buns. They're made of corn and all kinds of Italian flavors. Just slice them open, put them on the grill real quick, let them soak up some of that flavor, and then we'll put our mortadella on. Of course, for a base, we're also going to be wanting a little bit of lettuce. Maybe a slice of tomato. Nice and crispy, ready to go. Shred of the lettuce. Some tomato on the bottom. That looks like a good base. Time to get our mortadella off and put it on our bun. There we go. Next we'll put on our egg. And last but definitely not least, our Parmesan cookies. Now we'll put the cap on. Can't wait to bite into this. Now let's slice this open and take a look inside. Whoa. That looks good. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. So without further ado, there we go. And now that is a tasty sandwich. Now that turned out to be one tasty sandwich. The mortadella is really greasy, so it crispens up perfect, just like bacon. And it spreads out all these beautiful creamy flavors. And then the baked egg, talk about creamy. Some Parmesan biscuit to add a little bit more crisp, and then the lettuce and tomatoes to freshen it all up. Man, this is a dish worthy of trying. So I hope you guys are going to give it a try, because that's the only way to find out if it's actually good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button. I want to know in the comment down below what your favorite Italian sandwich is. See you guys next time, and a big thank you to everyone that's supporting us on Patreon or right here with a membership on YouTube. In the meantime, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. Cheers guys.